Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today I want to share with you an interesting situation that I discovered in a public car park. It's not often that you see a car clamped in a car park in Hong Kong. Usually clamped cars are seen parked illegally on the roadside, and in those situations they definitely deserve to be clamped or simply towed away. However, because this situation is in an enclosed car park, perhaps it is quite troublesome and inconvenient to tow the car away. So this silver Mercedes has not moved from its parking space since 25th of October 2022. The day this picture was taken was 5th of January 2023. So that's a total of 72 days that this Mercedes has been here so far. Now, according to the impounding notice, for the first 24 hours or less, the impounding charge is a sum of 320 Hong Kong dollars, which is about 40 US dollars. Furthermore, for every additional 24 hours that the vehicle remains impounded, there will be an additional payment of the same 320 Hong Kong dollars. And just to add more charges on top of the impounding fees, the owner of the vehicle also needs to pay the hourly parking fee for the length of time that the vehicle has been parked in the car park. The hourly parking fee is 19 Hong Kong dollars, which is about 2.5 US dollars. I have summarized the impounding fee plus the parking fee for these 72 days that the car has been impounded. Since this penalty system is time dependent, there will come a point in time when the total accumulated fine will be more than the actual value of the car itself. At which point, if you were the owner in this situation, what would you do? Please share your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.